Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjuna Nersu and I'm sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I'd like to request all the viewers, if you are looking for the Nifty analysis for tomorrow, you can check the timestamp in the description. You can directly click there and you can watch it directly. Otherwise, if you are looking for the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow or Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction, you can directly check the timestamp below in the description if you don't want to watch all the video. This is for your kind information because some viewers won't like to watch the whole video, so they want the exact information what they are looking for. For your convenience, we are giving the timestamps in the description below, so you can directly check these timestamps and click the timestamps there, and you can directly jump into that section and watch the levels again. Okay, and I request you to please click on the like button and share this video to friends and followers and well wishers, and I request you to please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe for to get the notifications whenever I post the updates for the daily levels of Bank Nifty and Nifty. Okay, thanks for understanding. Now let's jump into the market. So today, that is of 23rd March 2021, Nifty 50 has gained 78 points and has ended at 14,814 points, which is of 0.53%. Nifty Bank has gained 580 points, which is of 1.73%, and has ended at 34,184 points. Nifty Next 50 has gained 419 points. Nifty Midcap has gained 65 points. Nifty Financial Services has gained 142 points. Now let's see, if you see the advances and declines of the Nifty 50, there are 27 advances and 23 declines under Nifty 50 today. So if you see the top 5 losers and the gainers under the Nifty 50 are, so the top 5 losers under Nifty 50, Shree Cement has gained 4.68%, Tata Cement Co has gained 2.70%, Divis Lab has gained 2.57%, HDFC Bank has gained 2.37%, IndusInd Bank has gained 2.32%. Now let's see who has the top 5 losers under the Nifty 50 are. Hindalco has lost 2.43%, ONGC has lost 2.14%, Power Grid has lost 2.06%, GAIL has lost 1.86%, ITC has lost 1.77%. Now let's see who has majorly contributed for the upside of the Bank Nifty today. So under the 580 points of the Bank Nifty upside today, HDFC Bank has contributed 289 points for the upside of the Bank Nifty today. ICICI Bank has contributed 166 points for the upside of the Bank Nifty today. Axis Bank has contributed 71 points. SBI has contributed 39 points. IndusInd Bank has contributed 28 points for the upside of the Bank Nifty today. If you see the downfall of in the last few minutes, a few hours under the Bank Nifty, because of the Kotak Bank, which is of 19 points, has contributed for the downfall of the Bank Nifty. So majorly these 5 banks has majorly contributed for the upside of the Bank Nifty today, and in the last few minutes, the downfall was happened because of this Kotak Bank. Okay, as I said earlier, every day I am saying HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank is majorly contributor for the either upside of the Bank Nifty or downfall of the Bank Nifty every time. If you are unsure about the index side, on which way it is going, you can check it either HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank, and you can decide if the HDFC and ICICI Bank is going to fall, is falling down. That is the indicator that Bank Nifty is going to fall down. At the same time, and the vice versa, if the HDFC and ICICI Bank is jumping up, it's going up in the direction, it's the indicator that the Bank Nifty is going to upside again in the index. Okay, hope you understand this point. This is a major point. I always repeating this in my video every day. This is for your information. Now let's jump into the results of the given views yesterday for today's trade, that is of 23rd March 2021. So yesterday Nifty was closed at 14,747 points, and today Nifty opened at 14,768 points, and I have given the buy call at 14,800. So it was triggered, and I have given the target as 14,830, 860, like that. Here 30 points also happened, and as I said, from 14,800 to 14,900 there is a chances of getting reversal here. So it get reversed and again bounce back. Here let us assume we have booked the 30 points, and again it was our buy call was again triggered, which is of 14,800, and it made a high of 14,866. So let us assume we have booked another 60 points or 50 points here, and again here once more, which is made a high of 14,878, which is of 70 points from our initial buy call. So 70, 60 and 30. So how much? 160 points has gained another Nifty today. Okay, hope you guys booked some profit in these calls. If you are not taken the call here, let us assume you have taken the call here. If you are not taken the call here, let us assume you have taken the call here, but our sell call was not triggered today. So hope you guys booked the profit of 160 points or somewhere in the breaks. You have the book. Hope you have booked some profit here in our Nifty 50 call view. So now let me share the results of the given views yesterday for today's trade of Bank Nifty. So yesterday Bank Nifty was closed at 33,659 points, and today Bank Nifty was opened at 33,747 points. And I have given the buy call at 33 838. So here it was that buy call was triggered here, and again, as I said, from 33,800 it was fell down again, and then made a high of 34 from 33,800 to, so from 33,800, from 600, 700 to, it made a high of 34,290. Hope you guys book your profit of almost 400 points here in our call. As I said, from 34,200 to 34,300, 400, there may be a reversal happens. So mark my levels. As I said, from 34,300 it again fell down up to 33,629, and again our buy call was triggered again here, and it made a high of 34,357. It tries up to 34,400, and again the Bank Nifty is not able to sustain there, and again fell down, it made a low of 34,117. Okay, 400 points, and here are some 200 points, 300 points. Hope you guys book your profit of almost 500 points in our Bank Nifty views today. Hope you guys book your profit. If you have booked your profit or loss, just I request you to please mention in the comment section, so that it will boost the new viewers to engage in the video, so that they will get the confidence while they are trading in the video. Thank you so much. Now let me share the Nifty analysis for tomorrow, that is of 24th March 2021. So today Nifty 50 has closed at 14,807 points. So our buy call will be activated for the Nifty 50 tomorrow is 14,850 for the Nifty target of 14,865, for the Nifty target of 14,890, 14,940, 14,960, 15,020, 15050. So these are the Nifty targets for tomorrow under the buy call. So if the Nifty 50 is going to be positive, then you can take the buy call at here, which is a 14850. So you can take the buy call from here for the Nifty targets of this. If you want to check the levels, you can replay this video and note down these levels again. Now, so if the Nifty 50 has going to be fell down tomorrow, so our sell call will be activated at for the Nifty 50 at 14760, for the Nifty target of 14720, for the Nifty target of 14700, 14640, 14605, 14576, 14540, 14500, 14450, 14430, and the final target of 14400. Okay, hope you guys noted down these levels. If you are not noted on these levels, I request you to please replay this video and note down these levels again, and be stick to the levels which was given by me, because everything is given based on the purely technical analysis, not on any assumptions. The Nifty has to fall down in our levels only at any time, so we should be patience till the Nifty has fall in our levels, then only you can trade it. Otherwise, ignore the trade. Don't lose your capital. Okay, don't be hurry. So whenever you see the opportunity of Nifty has fell down in our levels, you can take the trade tomorrow. Okay, hope you guys noted on these levels and stick to these levels again. Okay, thank you. Now let me share the, and one more thing here. From I have given the buy call at 14850 here, so you should be very careful between 14850 till 14900, and once the 14900 is crosses, it can go up to 15,000, 15050. So you should be very careful between here from 14850 to 14900, 930. So once it crosses, there may be a higher chance of going up here. Okay, and at the same time here at 14600, there may be a higher chance of 14700 is the crucial point. There may be a chance of getting up from here. The trend may get reversal here, so for 14700 is the crucial point, and once it crosses, then 14600 is the next point to be cautious of the trend reversal in the Nifty 50. So now let me share the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, that is 24th March 2021. So our today Bank Nifty was closed at 34,210 points. So our buy call under the Bank Nifty for the Bank Nifty will be activated at 34,320 for the target of 34,430, 34,530, 34,630, 34,730, 34,830, 34,900, 34,970, 35,050. So this is the final target of 35,050 for the Bank Nifty tomorrow. So here and in these levels, you should be very careful between 34,400 to 34,700. Once the 34,700 is crosses, it can go up to 35,200. So you should be very careful between 34,400 to 34,700. So you should be very active in the trade. And now if you see if the Bank Nifty going to fall on tomorrow, so our sell call will be activated at 34,000 for the Bank Nifty target of 33,880, for the Bank Nifty target of 33,750, 33,640, 33,550, 33,450, then 33,340, 33,260, 33,140, 32,990. So these are the Bank Nifty targets for tomorrow. Hope you guys noted down these levels of Bank Nifty for to trade tomorrow. If you are not noted down these levels, I request you to please replay this video and note down these levels, and always request you to stick to the levels which was given in the video, because the Bank Nifty or Nifty has to fall under our levels only, because we are giving the analysis based on the Bank Nifty analysis or Nifty analysis based on the purely technical basis, not on any assumptions, because I'm giving the levels what I'm going to trade tomorrow. Not I'm not doing anything special for you. Okay, and be strict to the levels. Don't be hurry. Whenever the Bank Nifty or Nifty has fell in our levels, then only you can take the trade. Otherwise, don't take any trade and be calm or wait for the opportunity and grab the opportunity. And I always request you to please be active when you are trading in the market. Okay, if you are going out, close the trade or put the stop loss for every order, or put for stop loss and the target for every order which you are open the trade. So stop loss is very important. It will boost us, and it will help us to save our capital. It will boost our energy to make many more trades. And I my habit is stop loss of 1% of my open trade should be there. So if my open trade is 10,000, my stop loss is 10,000 or 1% of 10,000. If it is 1 lakh, my stop loss is 1% of 1 lakh. So this is my habit. So stop loss should be a habit for every trader. It will save you a lot. Okay, not only book the profits, dare to book the loss also. Then only you will see the and you will learn the market. Okay, now let me share the Nifty option prediction for tomorrow. So once Nifty 50 has crossed this level, which is of 14,850, he can buy the strike price of 14,900 CE. And at the same time, if the Nifty 50 has crosses this level, which is of 14,760, he can buy the strike price of 14,700 PE. Okay, these are the Nifty option prediction for tomorrow. So our Nifty option prediction for tomorrow would be 14,700 PE and 14,900 CE. 14,700 CE, PE, 14,700 PE and 14,900 CE. Okay, these are the Nifty option prediction for tomorrow. Now let me share the Bank Nifty option prediction for tomorrow. So once the Bank Nifty has crosses this level, which is of 34, 320, 330, he or she can buy the strike price of 34,400 CE. Once the Bank Nifty has crosses this level, which is of 34,000, he or she can buy the strike price of 33,900 PE. Okay, hope you guys noted on these levels. So our Bank Nifty option prediction for tomorrow would be Bank Nifty levels would be 33,900 PE and 34,400 CE. Okay, 33,900 PE and 34,400 CE. These are the Bank Nifty option prediction for tomorrow. Hope you guys noted down these levels. As I said earlier, we should be very careful in the market when you are making the trade, and you should be very active. If you are busy in some other work, close the trade and leave it and take the trade whenever you are free, whenever you are active in the market. Okay, because we can't predict in seconds the market may get changes its trends onto opposite side. So hence you always should keep the stop loss for every trade and dare to book that stop loss, and don't trade on hope.